So I've just gone out and got myself another carbon monoxide alarm. I've already got one for the van because I've got a Chinese diesel heater in there. Obviously you've got to have the carbon monoxide alarm. This one's a digital one because it would be nice to see if there's any parts in there at all. 19 quid this was. And it's got a 7-year warranty and a 7-year sealed in battery. Brilliant. I'm going to do a test to see if it works, just because I want to. So stick around. Right, so there you have it. It's gone up to 280 parts per million. It's doing its job. It's bleeping away. Well happy. It's just nice to see that that it's actually picking it up. Thanks for watching out. Subscribe.